See what you think.
Swing.
Okay, I think it's in.
181 ball speed straight out the blocks.
Then we can leave it right here, I think.
12, 3, 25, 50s.
So
Nice.
good. Swing.
181, 4.
Ball speed up again there, Ben.
26.
Yeah, I mean,
really nice,
if you look
yeah.
at the tee markers, it's all there.
Straight out the middle.
Yeah,
Dead center.
we'll just leave it like this. Don't clean it, okay? I mean, it's
Thanks
a
for
little
giving
better,
it
a little faster, a little more consistent. So
Thanks for giving it a little test drive there.
yeah,
though,
that was
of
nice and quick.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Good job, guys.